Hi everyone, this is Meet and today I'll be talking about the top 5 dramas that are available on Viki Rakuten right now. All 5 of these dramas are recent ones, they are completed. Okay, I really hope you enjoy this video. I'm trying to do a list video because I can't cover all the Korean dramas that I'm watching at the right pace. So here's a list so that all my beloved dramas get included. And so these are the dramas that you should be watching. Is in no particular order. These are the dramas. So the first one is Memorist. It completed just a few days back. It is an action drama with a little bit of romance. It has a lot of bromance, and you have really good characters in Memorist, and the story is fiction, obviously, fantasy kind of. Okay, it is basically supernatural action drama. Memorist has a really nice story with a lot of twists and turns. So that is going to keep you watching. Like, that is what makes the series interesting. And Memorist is a lovely change from soapy romance dramas. So it was kind of memorable for me because I'd been watching a lot of romance dramas recently. Okay, so the second one is A Piece of Your Mind. A Piece of Your Mind has Jung Hae-in and Chae Soo-bin. Yeah, so these two make a really cute couple. And this is again a romantic comedy or romantic dramedy. There's not too much comedy in it because it begins with tragedy and then goes on to become a full-fledged romance drama. You see the development of characters and something new that this drama has to offer, or I hope that this is a new trend that is starting in Korean dramas, is that self-care, self-love comes first. As the series progresses, you get to see how they struggle and how they survive, and it's basically about self-love, like how they do it for themselves, how they get over obstacles for themselves and not for love or for the other person or anything like that. So this drama has a really important concept, that is, before you can love anybody else, you need to love yourself. The third drama is Dr. Romantic Part 2. Okay, so those of you who have seen season 1 will know that Dr. Romantic is such an awesome series. I mean, you have such great medical cases in it. So being a doctor, obviously it is very interesting to me. But even otherwise, there's romance, there's character story, the build up of the characters, histories, and their futures, and the way they deal with patients or the way they deal with their colleagues and staff. So that is something which is always interesting to anybody who's part of the medical fraternity. But even otherwise, this drama is quite interesting. It is not just about medical cases or not just about the hospital atmosphere. It's also about the people. It's also about the characters and their stories. Dr. Romantic 2, as the name suggests, is a really lovely medical romance drama. It's not a purely romantic drama also. But Anyo Sop, who was also there in a drama called Abyss, he shines in this drama like nothing else. Okay. Okay. So the next drama is I'll Go to You When the Weather is Nice. This drama has So Kang Joon and Park Min Young. Yes, so Park Min Young has refrained from playing a cheerful, bubbly, energetic role that she usually plays, or the similar to the roles that she's been playing for the past 3 to 4 of her dramas. In this drama, she's a selfish, naive, but eventually strong person, and I think after watching this drama, I felt that, kya ye, what a selfish character. But then as I thought over it, I was like, okay, maybe it's good to be selfish sometimes. And I'm not justifying her character. I mean, she's a good character. So it's a different story, you have to treat it like a story. The circumstances of a story can be different, and that is how the characters are built based on. So Kang Joon, you get to see So Kang Joon in a really great light. I mean, regardless of what light shines on So Kang Joon, he's going to shine. So you have So Kang Joon and you have Park Min Young, and obviously So Kang Joon's character was much well built compared to Park Min Young's character. Might be slightly disappointed in the female character, not the actor, just the character that she's playing. Simply because our expectation from Park Min Young is the cheerful, bubbly, girl next door vibe. So this is quite different. And the story is also heavy. It's not very light, it's not always cheerful. But you do see two individuals overcoming obstacles, as is the trope in all Korean dramas. One more drama is Forest. It is a drama that stars Park Hae Jin and in a very different role. Just have to watch this drama to find out. Forest was something different from the usual dramas that you get. Watch it once. So, yeah, these are the dramas that you can watch on Viki Rakuten right now. So I hope you liked the list, and I am standing in rural Gujarat. And the sun has set. I think, yes, the sun has set. And where's the moon? Ah, there it is. That's the moon. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.